Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Pretty Links affiliate URL structure. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To update your Pretty Links affiliate URL structure, begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Pretty Links section in the left sidebar. Click on Links to view all your existing Pretty Links. Identify the affiliate link you want to update and click on its title. This will open the link editing interface. In the Edit window, look for the Pretty Link field. Here, you can modify the slug to create a new URL structure. Ensure that the new slug is relevant and easy to remember. Next, check the target URL field to confirm it directs to the correct affiliate link. If you need to update the target URL, enter the new link here. Review all other settings to ensure they align with your needs. Once you have made the necessary adjustments, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click on the Update button to save your changes. After updating, visit your new Pretty Link to ensure it works correctly. For further updates, repeat this process for any other affiliate links you wish to modify. Keep your URL structures consistent for better user experience and tracking. Doing this will help maintain clarity and efficiency in your affiliate marketing efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.